Hi everyone, I'm Amy. I'm from London and I'm about to go into my third year studying physics here at the University of Bath. Since it's almost welcome week, I thought I'd go through my 3 top tips on how you can make the most of it. My first tip is something that you have probably heard a million times when people are talking about moving to university, but say yes to as many things as you can. This doesn't necessarily have to be nights out, but sports taster sessions, society events, even just going into town or going grocery shopping with your new flatmates is a great way to bond with them without the pressure of being at an event. It's simple things like this that can really make the difference on the experience you have in your first week. Putting in that little bit of extra effort to spend time with people that you've just met, even though it can be quite daunting, is something that will have a really positive impact on the beginning of your university experience. Despite this, it is also really important for you to know yourself. If you know for a fact there's something that you've tried before and you really won't enjoy, don't force yourself to go to it just because your flatmates are going. Even though it is a nice opportunity, you're not going to miss out on everything by not going to one event. Likewise, if you need a night in or you just want to take some time for yourself during the day, it's never going to be the end of the world if you don't go to something. You're not going to miss out on people making loads of friends. So make sure you are also taking care of yourself and prioritising yourself, as well as pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and having those new experiences. My final top tip is probably the one that I needed to hear most on my freshers week, and that is remember that you do have a degree to do at the start of next week. There's a couple things you can do to prepare yourself for the next week that is going to make starting lectures a lot easier. One thing I'd do is just have a look at your timetable when you've got it and see if you can spot some of the buildings that you might have your lectures in. Another thing you can do that probably seems super obvious, can actually be missed when you've got a lot of stuff going on, is just making sure you have everything you need for your first day of lectures. So are you going to be taking notes with pen and paper? Are you going to be using a laptop or a tablet? Have you made sure that you've charged these in advance? Little things like that are going to make your first week of lectures run a lot smoother. It won't take much time for you to do this during welcome week. Finally, don't put too much pressure on it to be the best week of your life. This is just the start of your uni experience and you've got plenty of time to make the most of it.